This is why I quit doing private label on Amazon FBA. So I started doing private label probably 6 or 7 years ago when I launched my first product. And it did terrible. My second product that I launched maybe a year or two after that also did terrible. I ended up losing all my money on both of those. So after I had two failed products, when I did private label, I sourced from Alibaba, I followed all the steps and they both failed. Then I gave up on private label. And since then, I've stuck to the business model that I've started since day one, which is the online and retail arbitrage business models. So basically purchasing items from online retail stores and purchasing items from in-store retail stores and selling them for a profit on Amazon. Everything with those products is already well known, whereas when I was doing my two generic products that I purchased from Alibaba, nobody knew about those brands. They were my own brand. It was called Homchin. It was a terrible brand name, to be honest. It was supposed to be home and kitchen items. Homchin, yeah, anyways. But yeah, they both failed, and that's what made me give up on private label and focus on the business model that I knew and had success with, which is the online and retail arbitrage business model. Now I only do online arbitrage, but that is the business model that I've had nothing but success with. Everything that I sell is well-known products, so there's no need to advertise. And to me, it's a much better business model over private label because most private label products do fail.